1999 Jeep Cherokee, 2-door, lowered, 2-wheel drive. It's missing a rear fender flare. Aftermarket spoiler sunroof. We got these tail lights with the corner lights from the front and turn signal lights off of eBay. So it's lowered evenly, but it kind of seems like the front is a little bit higher because of the front fender flares, how they sit a little bit higher than the rear. It's a level drop. I think it went like 2 inches in the rear and 2 inches in the front. Leaf under axle conversion. I used a Bachelor pack with the S10 leaves for a 3-inch lift, because with the stock leaves it would have been too lower. It would have been too dropped and it would have been hitting all over the place. And I just used the Explorer 2 left side Explorer leaf springs. Just re-welded the little shock mounting point. And I used shorter shocks to 8.8 off of an Explorer with 373s and limited slip. Right now he's running a 1 3/4 inch, no, 1.5 inch spacers, I think, or 1 1/4 spacers. Then for the front, I used Grand Cherokee V8 springs, and I think it was like a coil and a half. And it still needs a adjustable shoulder track bar to center the axle. It's a little bit off. And the control arms are pointed up, so I would like to lower the mounting point on the axle for the top and bottom. And also use shorter shocks for the front. KYB front and back. These are the lights I was talking about. HID conversion. Replace the headlight. This one didn't come with fog lights, so I installed the fog lights. Electric windows, power windows, and power locks. Also the sunroof. Needs the headline to be redone.